Hello and welcome, friends. I'm Prateen, stock market trader, trainer, and astrologer. Today, I'll be sharing you the syllabus of Bank Nifty Intraday Astrology course. In this course, following topics will be covered. First of all, I'll be sharing knowledge about stock market astrology. Okay? We will start everything from the basics so that even if you don't know anything about astrology, no issues at all. We will be starting everything from the scratch, everything from the start. Then we will learn the basics of astrology. We will see all the necessary basic concepts that are needed to predict the Bank Nifty intraday trend. Okay. Then we will see how does astrology helps in trading and why. We will also know why astrology is so accurate. The great Sarvatobhadra Chakra. Yes, friends, we will take help of this great ancient Vedic astrological asset that is available, and we will learn everything in depth in coming lectures. We will also see what softwares will be required to learn financial astrology. Okay, don't worry, there are free softwares as well as paid softwares. So we will discuss everything. Very important, the prediction of Bank Nifty intraday moves. We will try to decode the trend with the help of astrology. We would also find out the momentum timings for Bank Nifty. Friends, we know that whenever there is a good momentum in Bank Nifty, we get very, very good moves and very, very good points in future as well as the options, weekly options and the monthly options. They become double, triple. We would try to find out those days and that time when this momentum comes. The huge moves I talked about. We will also see when not to trade. When are the range bound activity? When we can see a range bound activity in Bank Nifty, we would see that also. Friends, we will also see planetary levels. These are the supreme. This comes in supreme technical analysis. I mean, these are planetary levels. When you learn, you would know that yes, first of all, you would feel like magic. What is this? But these are really, really very premium tools that I'll be sharing with you. Okay. Finally, we will create a complete trading setup based on stock market, astrology, and planetary levels. So we would know when to enter the market, when to exit the market. This course would help you a lot because even if you are a part-time trader, you don't need to sit for the whole time in front of computer. You would know very well in advance on this day at this time I will take my Bank Nifty trade. Okay. Apart from this, you will be getting all the PDFs and Excels and also the access to elite student group. Okay, where I'll be providing you assignments and you will be providing me the answers to the questions and the practical assignments you will be doing. So friends, bye for now. Happy trading, folks. If you like, enroll for the course. Very much value for money.